Hi there. Today I'm excited to show you how easy it is to import multiple sheets from a single file and create a multi-table dataset in Oracle Analytics, all with just one click. Let's dive in. First, we'll go to the menu and select Create Dataset, then navigate to our Excel file containing multiple sheets. You'll see that this file contains several sheets, each with its own set of data. By default, Oracle Analytics shows a preview of the first sheet, but we can quickly preview any of the other sheets as well. Now, here's the cool part. Instead of importing just one sheet at a time, we can simply choose the All Sheets option and click OK. Instantly, the system will import all the sheets in the file. It will identify key columns and automatically join them into a multi-table dataset. No repetitive steps, no extra hassle, just a streamlined process that saves you time and effort. And check this out. All the imported sheets are conveniently listed on the left-hand side for easy access and management. And that's it. In just a few clicks, we've turned a multi-sheet Excel file into a fully joined dataset, ready for analysis. Thanks for watching.